9 DC level 515s, a Pitbull 20K by DC, 2 Cyber 12K limitless lithium, total of 190 amp hours.
Really?
Wow. 370 amp alternators.
So 1 amp pushing all this?
Just a 20K.
That's wild.
I clamped 15,000 earlier.
Wow. How did you wire it, the 9 to it? Just a lot of, I guess a lot of statistics.
Oh, yeah, it was a lot of wire.
And how, did you confirm it wasn't wired wrong? Because I would have wired it wrong. It's hard to do.
Yeah, I'm wired at 0.3. And
Wow.
they're all dual 1.4s.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you used to have this in here and you had to...
Oh, I haven't completed it yet. I'm waiting on the piece to get put in.
Got it. Any kind of testing for SPL yet?
What do you mean?
Like SPL burp tests, if you see how it did on the meter?
Oh yeah, I did a 154 at 20 hertz.
Ooh. Oh, so you're tuned low then?
It's tuned at 19.
Holy crap. All right, this is crazy. I don't think I've ever heard a 915s build no wall like this.
That's why I did it.
Yeah.
Something different.
Yeah. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Subs? I hope it's a no. Wow. Hey, how you doing? Solid. Whoa, that's a big box.
Oh, yeah.
I think I remember before you had four 15s in a truck.
Yes, sir.
So now you have what, 9? 9, wow, okay.
Yeah, everything. You can smell it. I've been cooking them.
Oh, you have? Oh,
yeah.
Ooh. This is crazy. I don't think I've ever heard a 915s build no wall like this.
That's why I did it.
Yeah.
Something different.
Yeah. Most people will do 6 or 8
Everyone
or 4.
just go a wall and just be
Yeah.
done with it. I had to be different.
Yeah. All right. Have you considered adding a bracing here?
I've done it. That's where that is, yeah. But it would have put me in a wall class.
Oh man, just piece of wood. Dang. How did you keep your box brace down?
Oh, it's bolted like 8 different locations.
Jeez,
But it's still bouncing. You can see it.
Yeah.
So that means the whole floor is bouncing.
Yeah, that's just insane. I'm curious also, did you put these subs in after the box or with the box?
Oh no, there's no way. This box by itself was way too heavy.
Way too heavy,
I
yeah.
needed like 6 people to put it in here.
Wow. Looks like something you put a forklift in. That's crazy.
That would have been nice.
Yeah, I know. I appreciate it, man. What was your name?
River.
River. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got a River Laws system. This was at the 2023 Summer Showcase Jacksonville, Florida show. Be sure to comment what you like about his system and give it a like. Insane bass demo we're about to get to with 9 15-inch subs. Probably the loudest and craziest no-wall system I probably ever sat in. So you got to stay tuned. Really crazy low flex. And he actually had some hair tricks that you're going to see playing into the teen frequencies. So notice that port in the back is actually really small port area for the amount of cubic space of this box. So that's what he did to optimize output and tune as low as he did. 19 hertz is insane. And this is the amplifier, the Pitbull 20K. Looks like it's rated at a 14-volt amplifier, and he clamped 15,000 watts out of it. And all of his lithium make, I didn't really get a really good close shot because it was behind the seats. And this is the motor shot of the level 5 DC audio sub rated at 3,500 watts RMS is the specs of the sub. If you want to see all more details, check out links in the description. We're about to get to the demo now. I really wish I would have found out the total cube space and the port length of the box, but you got to check them out on Facebook, River Law, if you want to see more about this build. We're getting to the demo now. 9 15-inch subs on 20,000 watts. He's going to play into the teen frequencies. He's going to be playing this system down. So be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for more daily car audio videos every day, and enjoy this demo.
Okay. Hair trick. Yeah.
My goodness. That's wild, dude. How did you keep your box brace down?
Well, it's bolted like 8 different locations.
Jeez,
But it's still bouncing. You can see it.
Yeah.
So that means the whole floor is bouncing.
Yeah, that's just insane. Thanks for the demo, River. That was wild. Woo.
I mean, you got the blower motor on that bitch.